Hey everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make a t-shirt mockup in Canva, a simple and fun way to bring your shirt designs to life. First, open Canva in your browser. If you don't already have an account, go ahead and sign up. It's free and quick. Once you're logged in, head to the search bar at the top and type in t-shirt mockup. Canva will instantly show you a wide variety of templates designed specifically for t-shirt designs. These templates are a huge time saver because you don't have to start from scratch. Take a moment to scroll through the options and choose one that fits your style or brand, whether you want something clean and minimal or bold and graphic. Once you find a template you like, click Customize this template. This will open the design editor, where you can start making the mockup your own. Canva's drag and drop tools make this part really easy. Now it's time to personalize your t-shirt. You can change the colors, edit the text, and add your own images or logos. If you already have a custom design or brand graphic, upload it directly and place it on the shirt. You can also explore Canva's massive library of shapes, icons, and illustrations to enhance your mockup. Play around with positioning and color combinations until everything looks perfect. If something doesn't feel right, just tweak it. Canva makes adjustments simple and instant. Once your t-shirt mockup looks just the way you want, it's time to download it. Click the download button at the top right corner and select your preferred format. For printing or high quality previews, a PNG or PDF file is usually the best choice. And that's it. You've just created a professional looking t-shirt mockup in Canva. You can now showcase your design to clients, share it online, or even use it for print previews. Thanks for watching, and have fun creating your own custom t-shirt mockups in Canva.